Let's see how to make WhatsApp birthday status with song. So first of all, make sure to update your WhatsApp app to latest version. Now go to your WhatsApp, select updates, tap on create new update or status, and here I'm selecting text and changing the status background color from here, and now typing here birthday and tapping on sticker and searching for birthday stickers, and here as the search results you will find all birthday related stickers. You can just go ahead and select one or multiple stickers just like this, and now tap on this music icon and you can pick any music from this suggested list, or if you want to search for a specific song or artist you can use this search box to find out the music. So in my case I'm just selecting this music for example, and you can crop the music from here and tap on done and tap on send, and that's how you can actually make WhatsApp birthday status using music. Thanks for watching.